Welcome to a tutorial in using Philosopher's Index to do research. First thing you should do is go to the Atkins website right here, click on Databases. Go to P for Philosopher's Index, and click Philosopher's Index. So this window shows you search options. Obviously, if you're familiar with Boolean variables, you can use that operator. I usually click on Find All My Search Terms. I also like to click Linked Full Text because this way you know that you will be able to get the article that you're interested in. If you think there's a high likelihood that the work you want will not be in our library, not be linked in a full text manner in our library, don't click it, but we'll click it for right now. Publish date can be a very helpful limiting factor, particularly if you're looking for work that has been completed and published since the last time you ran a search, or if you're looking for the status of a debate within a certain period of time or something like that. So I just usually leave it open. Obviously language, unless you are looking for things in a different language, you should choose English. And then I'm going to do journal article here. And then we hit, we need a search term. So I'm going to put in applied ethics. So our results come back at 757. That's probably too many to search unless you are doing something in particular empirically. So let's think of another term to add. We'll put bioethics. That is much more helpful. It takes us down to 177. So now that you have your results, there are a couple of things to notice. One is, in all of these, because we clicked the box, we'll have a hot link to get us to the full text. If you don't click that, this button right here will take you to a screen where you can request a copy through the library. So we'll close that back down. The other thing you can do is pull up the abstract right here and read through it. If you think that this is something that you want to keep in your folder for looking at the full article, just click Add to your folder and you'll see that it appears here. So we'll just click a couple of those. Now we can go to the folder view, and again we can look at the abstracts. So the best way to use this search engine is to cast a wide net, look at titles, look at the journals in which they appear. For example, Journal of Bioethical Inquiry, Journal of Medicine and Philosophy, and see if you think it's going to be something you'll be interested in looking at. I think you can get through something like 100 or 200 abstracts in a fairly short period of time, and then spend more time on the abstracts, a dozen, 2 dozen, 3 dozen, that you think are going to be applicable, and then look at them in your folder. And that is how you use Philosopher's Index.